Let's unbox and test this Krups Waffle Maker. It comes with a manual, it comes in this neat box, and it's well packed. So this is their mini waffle maker. It measures just about 4 inches. It's very compact, so it's perfect for small spaces. The top is stainless steel and we have the lights on the top, and the power cord measures 36 inches. I'm gonna clean my waffle maker, plug it up, and we're gonna make some waffles. The light is red, so it's heating up. When it's fully heated, the green light will turn on. I'm just wrapping the cord around the base twice so it can look a little bit neater. Now the green light is on, that means it's ready to go, and it took 2 minutes. Now it's time to add my waffle mix, and it holds exactly 1/4 cup of mix. And this is gonna take 4 to 5 minutes to cook. So the total amount of time is about 7 minutes from the time you plug it in until the time you're done making your waffle. And this waffle maker performs just the same as a regular waffle maker. It's just a smaller version. The plates are non-stick, but I find that sometimes the waffle will stay on the lid. So I'm using my butter to make the rest of my waffles. And as you can see, 1/4 cup is just the perfect amount. It makes really nice waffles. They're perfectly round and they're nice cocktail sizes. So overall, I really love this waffle maker. It's perfect for the kids. It's perfect for a dorm room or anyone that's watching their portion intake. It's very compact. It takes up very little space on the countertop, so it's perfect for small spaces.